3 tips you need to know to save your battery on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you top 3 essential battery saving tips that actually work. So let's get started. First, you can turn on your low power mode. Go to the settings. From settings, simply tap on battery. Now from the battery, tap and turn it on for low power mode. As you can also use the shortcut for automatic enable it on certain battery percentage or time of day. Second, you can disable background app refresh. For that, from settings, tap on general. From general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on background app refresh. From here, you can, as usual, turn off the background app refresh. Step 3, you can use the dark mode. For the OLED screen, simply from the settings section, you'll have to tap on display and brightness. Now from here, tap on dark at the top. After you set dark mode on your iPhone, this will also consume less battery on your iPhone. After you turn or enable all of the settings on your iPhone, you'll be able to just keep saving your battery on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.